Have you ever opened a piece of code and thought, what on earth is this? No spaces, no structure, no explanation. Well, today we'll learn how to never be that developer. Let's talk about comments, white space, and syntax rules. The tiny things that make your JavaScript clean, readable, and professional. Let's start with comments, your way to talk to humans inside your code. Comments don't affect how the program runs. They are ignored by the computer, but they are super valuable for you and anyone reading your code. So, for example, the double slash tells JavaScript to ignore everything after it on that line. Use this for short notes or quick explanations. And when you want to explain something bigger, like a block of code, you can use, for example, that's a multi-line comment. When you should use comments? Use comments to explain why, not what. Don't comment obvious things, like add 1 to I. Do comment tricky logic or temporary fixes. Think of comments as your personal notes inside your code. Future you will thank you later. Can we use HTML comments in JavaScript? Well, in JavaScript, HTML style comments like this can sometimes behave like comments and cause code on the same line to be ignored. This behavior exists only for historical reasons. It was used long ago to hide JavaScript from very old browsers that didn't support it. But using HTML comments in JavaScript is considered bad practice today and should be avoided. Why you should avoid them? Because they are confusing, they behave differently than real JavaScript comments, they exist only for legacy compatibility, modern browser and tools don't need them. So, best practice, always use single line comment, multi-line comment. If you see HTML comment in JavaScript, you are probably looking at very old or legacy code. Now, let's talk about white space. Basically, spaces, tabs, and empty lines, computers don't care about them, but humans definitely do. Let's look at this code. Compare it with this one. It's the same code, but this one is way easier to read. Adding spaces and new lines help your eyes quickly understand the structure. Add space around operators like plus, so when you type a plus b, don't type it a plus b. Leave blank lines between logical sections. Use indentation inside blocks. You can even let tools like Prettier or VS Code built-in formatter handle this automatically. We will look at that later. Let's finish with some syntax basics, the rules JavaScript follow to understand your code. First, semicolons. Let x equal 5, let y equals 10. Each statement usually ends with a semicolon. Technically, JavaScript can sometimes guess where to put them, but it's safer and cleaner to add them yourself. 2. Case sensitivity. Let name equals codems, console.log name. Yeah, it's an error because name is not defined. JavaScript is case sensitive. Name and name with capital and small are two totally different things. 3. Matching brackets and quotes. If is ready, console.log let's go. Every open bracket must have a matching close brackets, and every double quotes or single quote must be closed. Otherwise, you will get syntax error. Line breakers. Don't break code statements in random places. Always keep them complete and readable on one line, unless they are too long. So here's the deal. Writing code is not just about making it work. It's about writing code that's clear, consistent, and kind to the next person reading it, which could be you next week. So, to summarize, comment smartly. Explain why, not what. Use white spaces. Make your code breathe. Follow syntax rules. No missing brackets or weird spacing. Keep it consistent. Now your code not only works, but it also looks good. Want to instantly clean your code? In VS Code, press Shift-Alt-F. It formats everything automatically. And that's it. Make sure you like, subscribe. That really helps. And thank you.